We'll guide you through how to start chat on Google Chat. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin, access the Windows Start menu on your device by clicking the Start icon located on the bottom left corner of your screen. Once the menu is open, type Google Chrome into the search field to quickly locate the browser application installed on your system. When the search results appear, open the Google Chrome browser by clicking on its icon. After the browser launches, move to the address bar at the top and type Google Chat. Then press Enter on your keyboard to proceed. From the search results page, click on the link that leads to the official Google Chat website to ensure you are accessing the correct platform. Before continuing, ensure that you're already logged into your Google account, as this is required to use Google Chat features. Once logged in, the Google Chat home screen will appear, displaying your chat interface and options. To start a chat on Google Chat, look for the Start a Chat button, which is typically represented by a bubble chat icon within the interface. Then, hover your cursor to the top left of the screen to locate additional options. Click on the New Chat button to begin creating conversation. After clicking, a pop-up menu will appear on your screen, prompting you to enter the contact details. In the text bar provided, type the name or email address of the destination contact to whom you want to send a chat. If the address you entered is correct, a list of available accounts will appear below the text field. From this list, click on the account that matches your intended recipient. Next, select the Start Chat option to confirm your selection. The interface will then switch to the chat view, where you can communicate directly. Type the message you wish to send into the message field, and finally, click the Send Message button at the far right of the text field, represented by a paper plane icon, to deliver your message. Make sure your message is clear and correctly typed before sending. And review the conversation window to confirm it has been delivered successfully and appears in the chat history without any errors or delays for proper communication and smooth user experience.